So we wanted to give you an update here on the electric assist process for the holiday. We have Ken here from BionX that's come to our factory in Eugene to help us do some testing. And we've set up a BionX system on the holiday and it's looking really promising.
Well, BionX has three main components. We have our hub motor, battery, and console. Console turns on the system, plus it allows you to adjust the level of assist as well as the level of regeneration. Okay, Jeff, the first thing you do is you turn on the power. Okay. Just hit this upper button and you hear the battery beep and it goes through a self-check. Just makes sure everything's working fine. Now we want to set the level of assist. Now you can do it two ways. You can do it right on the console or this remote over here. Hitting the plus, you have 4 levels of assist: 35, 75, 150, 300%. When it's back here and you see this little bike icon, it just rides like a bike. So the beauty of our system is that it always feels like a bike. And if you feel adventurous, you can now move it into the regen mode so that you're full-time charging the battery, but it's a whole lot of work. But for now, let's go ahead and throw you into full assist and let you go play.
Okay, wish me luck.
Now remember, I set the assist. I use mine to just run errands. For the commuter, they can show up at work and they don't have to jump into the shower. They don't have to get into the restroom and dab. They're ready to go. So it really expands range and it also gets them into work quicker. So great versatility there. And then you have your user that is getting a little bit older. Those hills are getting a little bit more challenging. And maybe they're not riding as much because it's just frustrating for them. Well, this just opens up a whole new opportunity to really have fun on the bike again. So when you brake, you automatically go into regen. Regen means you're actually generating power back to the battery. Sort of like the Prius and all these other hybrid cars out there, except here it is on a bike. And it works amazingly well. The other benefit of being able to go into the regen mode is, especially with something that has this much weight and you're going downhill and you want to be safe, you can put it into full regen and it will slow you down. It'll be as if you put the brakes on yourself. And the best part is, you're putting juice back in the tank. Now, the final version of this is going to be a little bit different. It's going to have, the battery's going to look a little bit different than this one here, mainly because we want to offer you Bike Friday fans a battery that has higher capacity. Imagine if you could ride 65 to 80 miles at a time. Isn't that amazing? Or not have to charge it all the time. And for those of you that really want to play with the regen, you probably could get more than 100 miles on this. The other pluses of the system is if you have lighting, you can plug it into the battery port back here. It's adjustable from 6 volts to 12 volts, so you can fully equip this with lighting.
Thank you very much, Ken. It's been great having you here to help us figure this out. And we're really excited to finish the details so we can start offering it to you guys.